My name is Dan Kramer and I'm the product marketing manager for the BrightDrop 400 and the BrightDrop 600. First, I want to talk to you today a little bit about the design intent behind the BrightDrop. It was born out of trends from e-commerce growth as well as a desire from our customers to reduce their carbon footprint. And really what it is a reincarnation of the traditional step-in van. If you think about the step-in vans you might see in your neighborhood today, they might not have any active safety features. They are very loud and noisy, take diesel or fuel, and really they're not designed or optimized for the driver. They're designed and optimized specifically for productivity. So when you look at our van, coming around the side here, our van has a lot of the design elements that are associated with the traditional step-in van. For instance, we'll have the low step-in heights on the vehicle. We have the elevated bar stool seating that will enable the driver great visibility as well as the ability to get in and out of the vehicle quickly and productively. As well, we do have a wide bulkhead opening into the cargo area that again allows the operator of the vehicle to get in and out quickly and safely. When you think about our van though, in comparison to those traditional step-in vans, we also have a litany of active safety features. On this van, there is over 20 standard active safety and driver assistance features. Things such as enhanced automatic emergency braking, side blind zone alert, as well as front and rear park assist, HD surround vision cameras, items that will make it very easy for the driver to park the vehicle, to avoid collisions, and to stay alert and have their eyes on the road at all times. Coming around to the side of the vehicle here, beginning with the 24 model year, we begin to offer both a short wheelbase and a long wheelbase version of the BrightDrop vehicle. Here you see the BrightDrop 400. That's going to be the shorter wheelbase version of the BrightDrop program. There is also a longer version, the BrightDrop 600. That's about 4 feet longer, mainly in the cargo area that allows for additional cargo space for the operator. So now talking about the charging on the vehicle here. The vehicle is equipped standard with both AC and DC charging. For 26 model year, the AC charging capability is up to 19.2 kilowatts of AC charging. That means from an AC charging perspective, you can get this charged on the standard battery in just over 6 hours of total charge time. And if you're looking at DC charging, the vehicle is capable of charging in as little as just under 2 hours of charge time if you're looking at DC fast charging. All right, turning our attention now to the rear of the vehicle, a couple of key safety features I wanted to point out. Number one, for 26 model year and 25 model year, it is standard feature to have the rear cargo overhead task lighting. Again, when the operator is working late into the night, it makes it a lot easier and safer for the driver to get in and out of the rear of the vehicle. As well, all the BrightDrops are equipped with the integrated rear hold bars, which again, for the operator, we just want to make sure that they're safe in getting in and out of the vehicle. They're able to use this rear step bumper, which makes it very easy to get in and out without problem. Now, as far as the cargo area goes, all the cargo areas are equipped with 2 motion sensing LED lights, so it's very bright inside the vehicle, able to work whether it's delivering packages or working and using the vehicle as a mobile office. And as far as a spare tire, both on the 400 and 600, a spare tire is optional. With the 400, the spare tire sits inside the cargo area, and on the 600, the spare tire sits underneath. Alrighty, so looking inside the cargo area, a couple of things that I wanted to point out here. Number one, the ample storage space for the operator of the vehicle, both up top and underneath as well. Additionally, all of our vehicles come standard with a passenger jump seat. Now, turning ahead to operating some of the key vehicle features. Number one, this vehicle is equipped with Google Automotive, which means that navigation is included in the vehicle, as well as some other key features. As well, just like most EVs, this one is equipped with one pedal drive. So on our BrightDrop, you're able to use the one pedal driving system, either off, normal, or high. And then here's a look at the aforementioned 360-degree HD surround vision camera. So as you can see here, you get the overhead look, you can go ahead and get the front look of the vehicle or the rear, and this feature really makes it easy for the driver to park the vehicle. One of the other key features that we have in the program is what we call delivery mode. Delivery mode, when used with the power door package, enables the driver to automate key tasks that they might have to repeat throughout the day. How the feature works is when the driver puts the vehicle in park, both the bulkhead and the curbside door will both automatically open, enabling the driver to quickly get out of his chair and into the cargo area and retrieve whatever good or package. When the driver leaves the vehicle, the bulkhead door will close on a timer, and when the driver returns and shifts the vehicle out of park, both the curbside door and the bulkhead, if still open, will close, enabling him to go about his day. That's an overview of the BrightDrop 400 and the BrightDrop 600. The most important part, the range, best in class. Up to 270 miles of range on both the 400 and 600 is available on this vehicle. So if you want to learn more, go ahead and check out your local Chevrolet dealers. They're available across the country.